Hello, you are welcome. Let's solve this. This is very simple. To solve this, we'll be starting from here. So let's go. Solution. To solve this type of question, we start from this. So let's take this out. So we have square root of 100. Okay? 100 r raised to the power of 8. In this is square root means write 100 r raised to the power of 8. Square root means raised to the power of 1 over 2. Because you have to recall that in indices, when you have this, it means a raised to the power of 1 over 2. When you have this, it means a raised to the power of 1 over 3. And generally, when you have this, it means a raised to the power of 1 over n. So therefore, we are applying that here. 100 can be written 100 can be written as 10 raised to the power of 2. So let's do that here. So it means we have 10 raised to the power of 2, r raised to the power of 8, l raised to the power of 1 over 2. In indices, this will distribute into them. So this applicable to this and applicable to this. So it means we have 10 raised to the power of 2 into 1 over 2, r raised to the power of 8 into 1 over 2. This cut this. 2 here, 1, 2 in 8, 4. So we have 10 r raised to the power of 4. So this gives us this. So it means square root of 100 r raised to the power of 8 will give us this. So we come back here. We write our expression as this. We have 160 r raised to the power of 2 plus square root of 71 r raised to the power of 4. So plus, instead of this, we write this 10 r raised to the power of 4. Now, this and these are like terms. You can add it together. Adding this, we have 160r squared plus 71 plus 10. That gives square root of 81r raised to the power of 4. Mind you, writing 81 r raised to the power of 4, to solve this, we have square root of 81 r raised to the power of 4. Now, square root means r raised to the power of 1 over 2. This spreads on everything. So 81 can be written as 9 raised to the power of 2. This is r raised to the power of 4, r raised to the power of half. So it means we have 9 raised to the power of 2 into 1 over 2, r raised to the power of 4 into 1 over 2. This cancels this. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So it means we are left with 9r raised to the power of 2. So we come here. So we have 160r squared plus 9r raised to the power of 2. So plus 9r raised to the power of 2. These and these are like terms. So adding it together, we have square root of 160 plus 9 That will be 169 r squared. Now, as usual, what we have to do here is to find 169 is the of square root of 169. This can be written as 13 raised to the power of 2. So 13 raised to the power of 2, r raised to the power of 2, all raised to the power of half. So it means spreading this over this, we have 13 raised to the power of 2 times into 1 over 2, r raised to the power of 2 into 1 over 2. This cancels this cancels this. So we are left with 13r, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye bye.